back to the channel. Today we're off to see how George is getting along. Now for long-term viewers of the channel, you know who George is. For the newcomers, George is my 1979 Austin Allegro. When I bought the car 4 years ago, it had been parked up for nearly, God, it's windy this morning. God, fighting the storm this morning. We had quite a bad storm in the last couple of days. So I'm getting off topic. When I bought George 4 years ago, he'd been sat for nearly 4 decades. I was actually rescued and bought as a parts car. Luckily the owner saw how straight he was and put him up for sale as a project. I bought him. I've done tons of work to the car over the last few years, including an engine change, but the bodywork was something that was always on the back burner to address. And although the car's actually very good structure, it doesn't really need any welding, the bottoms of both doors have gone, so that was something I wanted to get addressed. So I've never actually done anything to the bodywork other than just clean and polish it, so now's the time. So he's in the hands of a very good friend of mine. He's an ex-panel beater, knows the trick or two, has been in the trade for a few years. I've been in the trade for a long time actually. So we're just going to pop a visit to him this morning, have a cup of tea and see how he's getting on. Catch you in a bit. And here he is, guys. Luckily he's indoors in the dry. Yes, so it's coming along well. I actually came down last weekend and started stripping the car. Started off by removing the front and rear bumpers here. They came off without too much effort. And then the pinstripes or the coach lines on the side of the vehicle. My God, did they put up a fight. But then, of course, they've been on the car since the vehicle was new. So we actually ended up getting around that by using a hot air gun. And do you remember he had that lock on the side? That's now gone because there's a nasty dent there as well. So I've got Chris to fill that and get rid of that. I'll show you this state of the door. So if you can see, this is all going to be cut out and replaced. He's got the handles and the mirrors off. They took some doing. They were on there for. They were already on there, but aerials off. Looks like the wipers have been taken off as well, and the washer jets. So he's going to paint the bonnet, the scuttle, and again blend it into the A-pillars. So this is the side that's had the most work, guys. We've got a repair going on the wheel arch there. The door, which I'll show you in a second, that's having quite a bit of work done to it because it's got a nasty crease. The bottom's been repaired already, but again, that's a work in progress. At the time of recording this, we're only a week into doing the repair, so he's done really well to get this far. On this rear quarter here, there was a nasty dent which he's in the process of working on. That's all been filled. It's a shame to see it like this, but I know it needs to be done, so he's in good hands. And again with the door, I can't really move the door because it's all hung up at the moment, but that's being repaired. Again, that had rotted out along the outer skin. So yeah, that's good. So it's been a short one today, guys. This is just an update to let you know how George is coming along. We'll check in with Chris every few weeks to just see how things are progressing. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you soon with some more content. Take care.